can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey, what's good, family? We back again with another, I don't even think this is a reaction. I'm more so just gonna go ahead and talk about the fact that Supreme is gonna come out with a 50% sale tomorrow. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick little video for you guys and just discuss the fact that some of these items will be bricks. Let's be realistic, most of them will be, but you can still find some pretty good items in here. I'm on the Supreme website right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make this full screen so you guys can see the whole vibe. The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I feel like it's gonna be simpler. I don't really have to edit much, but if you guys do end up enjoying, go ahead and smash the like button. Let's not play with it, bro. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel down below. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to react to as well. I will go ahead and get those done, but the sub count is right here. Just literally subscribe. Come on, bro. I'm trying to do different shit for y'all. Just do something a little bit different, you feel me? I got the pull-up green screen. It's about that time. We about to go ahead and get straight to it. So right here, I'm on the Supreme website. There's a bunch of items that are still not sold out, so I'm assuming that most of the items that never sold out, or they just couldn't get their hands off, they're gonna put on that 50% sale. There's a lot of people on Instagram also saying that Supreme is dead. Ooh, Supreme is gonna die just because of the sale. Numbnut, if you didn't know, Supreme has a 50% off sale every season. This is not new. Literally every season, at the end of the season, whatever item didn't sell, they'll put that shit for 50% or a percentage off so that they could get it out of the warehouse for new shit to come in. So I'm gonna just briefly talk about some of the items that I personally feel are gonna be for sale, and then shit, my bad, I had to scratch my head on that one. But we do have some okay items in here. Honestly, I might not even buy shit. I might do a little live cop just showing y'all how it's going. But right here we got like this cheetah print looking ass Gore-Tex jacket, which initially sold for $548. I don't know personally if they're gonna sell this for 50% off, because low-key they would be losing a lot of money, but they might go ahead and make this shit do what it do. You still got the black colorway up here, medium XL. If they do sell it for 50% off, it'll be for like $278. There's still a lot of sizes, a lot of colorways, so hey, that's a possibility. Let's go ahead and talk about some of these other items. There's a P.O up here. There's also a varsity jacket, if I'm not mistaken. The P.O is only available, damn, it's available in both colorways. They're saying that this is gonna be on the sale, so 50% off of this would be like $280, if I'm not mistaken, like $279 or some shit like that, which isn't bad. This is a high quality P.O. This is one of those items that I feel like it's a good personal collection item. We also do have this varsity jacket, which is low-key not that bad. Once again, if this didn't have the hood, it definitely would have sold out in the actual season. Also, that retail price is bananas on this shit, $448. They're low-key smoking tip on this one, but for 50% off, I can see some people picking this up, especially in that black with the blue colorway. That one is the one that's calling my attention a little bit more, so I probably would just see how that goes tomorrow. There's a bunch more items like this vest right here. There's a lot of people in the comments saying that they regret buying this because it's on sale now. This is gonna be like $75, bro. That's pretty cheap, but this fisherman vest is dookie, and I see why it's gonna be for sale, bro. Like, nobody really wants that shit. Like, let's be realistic. You got this checkerboard shit. I want to see what else. I also wonder if there's gonna be shit added to it that isn't even on here, because there's a lot of items that if you notice on Supreme, after a while, if they don't sell out, they just take it off the website. Those might be seen on here. We don't know yet, but it's a possibility. There's a bunch of hoodies on here that I do want to talk about. There's a crew neck. The World hoodie also has some colorways. What am I doing? I just opened it in a whole new website. What the fuck? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this one first, since I opened it by mistake. The Globe hoodie is gonna be probably 50% off, $90, $80 for this hoodie right here. Isn't that bad. Low-key, this is one of the ones that I might pick up if they add my size or some magical shit happens. I would go ahead and pick this up. This is a pretty solid hoodie, and I just didn't honestly care for it when it actually released, but for 50% off, I might go ahead and scoop that. We got the chenille hoodie. There's a bunch of shit on here, bro. The anti-hoodie's still here as well. Those tartan pants, those are gone. I also wonder if they're gonna put the tees for sale, bro. If they put the tees for $20 a piece, is lit, bro. Like, I definitely am gonna pick up any tee that I can if they do put those on sale. The beanies are gone. These Dookie bags are probably gonna be on sale because I don't see anybody picking them shits up. The phone cases are still here as well. There's a lot of items that might actually be for sale, bro. Now that I look at it, there was a lot of sleepers or just a lot of Dookie pieces that never made it type shit. There's this velvet work jacket. This checkerboard one isn't all that bad, but it's just the price that killed it. Honestly, even the half off price, I wouldn't want to pay for this shit. It's just way too expensive. This overprint crew neck is one of the ones that a couple years back when Supreme was popping, this shit would have sold out in a blink of an eye. But nowadays, it's a little bit tricky, bro, when it comes to Supreme. But this one at 50% off, I feel like you can't go wrong with it. This almost looks like one of those old Navy sweaters, like the Gap type sweaters, and it's not that bad. That baby blue with the navy color on it isn't bad. I feel like for half off it's gonna be like $80, $90 with shipping. This is not bad, bro. Some of these items are honestly some sleepers. I feel like if I was to pick anything up, it would be the Globe hoodie or this so far. The jackets are just a miss for me. There's a lot of hoodies in here as well, like this applique chenille sweater. This is another one that personally I'm not really that much of a fan of, but I can see somebody who doesn't have any Supreme and wants to get into it for a good price picking this up right here, bro. There's a lot of sizes, a lot of colorways left. There's still mediums and large for most of these colorways. Honestly, the XL and the small are prone to be more sold out than the other ones because that's just the way that Supreme works. Those are the sizes that sell more, so I feel like those would be sold out first. It makes sense. But there's still some pieces for us big boys and smaller human beings out here. Like this anti-hooded sweatshirt is in a medium and an XL still. We got the gray color still available, the blue. I think every color is still available for this shit, and I kind of see why, bro. It's nothing too special, nothing over the top. It's not even like it's an anti-hero collaboration. It's literally just a one-off hoodie, and this reflective speckled backpack is Dookie, bro. Like if you're not going camping with this shit, just let it rest in peace. For half off, I kind of see somebody picking it up. A little $75 book bag makes sense, but for $150, Supreme was wilding off the rip. This shoulder bag is also ass. Like what even is this, bro? This shit looks like one of those totes you get at the supermarket in New York because they don't even give free bags no more. But that's another topic for another day. This bag right here is still ass. Like I don't even think that 50% off is worth it, bro. I would probably buy this shit for like $30 maximum. That shit is trash. We got the actual phone cases that might be on sale. We don't know exactly how this is gonna work, but it's for the 11 and the 11 Pro. I kind of understand why they're sitting because not that many people actually want to buy this, or actually a lot of people still have that phone, so I don't even know why these shits are sitting. Every color is there, bro. These might be on sale, but I honestly wouldn't expect it. They're already at a low price, and I don't know if Supreme would honestly make them even lower. There's a couple tees that we might see on there as well, like this blurred tee, this other tee right here. I think the Koyaanisqaa tee is sold out. Actually, it's not even sold out. What the fuck? I think every tee is almost still available. Obviously, besides the Mariah Carey and besides the box logo, let's be realistic, but some of these other tees are actually still here. I'm gonna go ahead and check some of the sizes for those, and then we'll get straight up out the building. There's also some other pieces like some long sleeve tops, some small box logo pieces that might also be on the sale. I don't know exactly how it's gonna work. Like, are they gonna leave some of the items out of it, or are they just trying to clean house? This chrome tee right here in a medium is still available. Some of the other colorways are sold out. The navy is there in the medium as well. I feel like some of these pieces will see a sale and people are gonna jump on these. The yellow and the white are there as well. Close the chrome tee. Let's see the Koyaanisqaa tee because this was one of my favorites. It's still there in a black medium, yellow medium. Every size is there in a medium besides the pink. The white is also there in a large. These are some of the pieces that you could maybe see on there. I don't know exactly how these will work. There's a lot of tees remaining, bro. If you didn't pick up any tees or you got some Christmas money, this is a smart investment because tees always go up, whether it's a little bit or a lot. Even if you pick these up for $25, it's worth it, bro, because these will go up as time goes on. Trust me, bro. Some of these items that are slept on now will end up picking up some type of value, especially if you pick it up for sale. It'll make it way more worth it. But this classics tee is available in almost every color. I'm assuming it's just a medium or a large most times, but you might go ahead and sneak up in there and find a XL or some shit like that. Like, look, the white colorway is still available in the XL. I just feel like you can't go wrong, bro. The no more shit tee is still available in that yellow color. color. Obviously the purple and the brown would be sold out. The black is there in the medium as well. White is there. The blue is probably sold out. Then the small box logo tees, this is one that we might see on the sale. Normally these retail at $58, but on the sale you could get it for the price of a regular shirt. This would be like $20, $29 or some shit like that if it's on sale, which isn't that bad, bro. $35 for one of these pieces isn't that bad. You do have some solid colorways on there, like the black is still there. I think the white is probably still there in a large. There's some cool pieces in here, and I just feel like personally I'm not really pressed for more Supreme, but this is more so for the people who didn't get it or just couldn't afford it at the time, which I feel you. I definitely feel you, but there's some pieces in here that you can go ahead and pick up if you're just entering the Supreme realm and shit. There's also some pretty good sizing and colorways for the blur tee, and I think that's pretty much everything that I feel like is going to be on sale. Pretty much everything on here will be. I don't want to cover every single item because obviously that would be absurd. Pretty much every item that's not sold out at this point, you could go ahead and check the website because that will most likely be on there. We might also see some other pieces load up because some of the items that we see drop from Supreme are bricks when they initially release, but for 50% off, homie, pick that shit up if you think it's cool, like, feel me? I also do feel like these hats at the bottom, if they're not sold out, oh damn, they actually sold out. That does not make sense. Why wouldn't people just wait for the sale to pick it up? Doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I think that pretty much does it for this video, bro. If you did enjoy, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I still need a new intro, so I'm gonna try and go ahead and figure that out, but I'm out of this bitch. Now we need a thumbnail, then we're really out of here.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel